This is the latest groundbreaking innovation by Atomstack. It's called the KRAFT Dual Laser Engraver. This has a diode and an IR laser built in the same head. You don't have to change it. It's the first time this has ever been done. How convenient is that? Imagine the amount of materials that you can work with now. We're talking wood, acrylic, metal, plastic. Unbelievable what you can do with this thing. Look what we made. You can use them individually. You can use them combined. And this is just the IR by itself. Look how cool that looks. Now I'm going to work on getting it straight, but this is the first day I had it out of the box. Here's the head. It's a combo unit. Again, everything's in here. You don't need to ever change it. You don't need any tools. All you do is slide it down on these two bolts and then screw it in at the top with the thumb screw, with the little finger screw there. Plug in one little cable, and this is another feature in here I'm going to tell you about in a second. You plug in your air assist here, but it's also not just air assist. I'm so excited. We'll show you that in a second. So screw that down, plug the cable in, and you are ready to go. No screwdrivers, no messing with tiny little cables or anything. Look, it's right there. You just slap that right in there. It is ready to go. They've done some really interesting things with this unit. It's super quiet and kind of fast, too. I was surprised how fast this is for a 20 watt. It gets the job done. Now, if you'll notice, I'm actually setting this up and using it to engrave and cut in my kitchen. And you can only do that because it's enclosed, and we did get the Atomstack air purifier, which moves a terrific amount of air through this special filter system. It's a replaceable filter. The top piece comes out, and they give you an extra one or two of these, and then you've got some other filter mechanisms in here. So it really takes all the smoke, all the smell out, all the stuff that would make you not want to work with your laser inside your home. Now you can do it with the Atomstack fume extractor. This thing's amazing. It comes with the hoses and the clamps. You just pop it all together. It takes a couple of minutes to put together. Super easy to assemble and install. And again, I'm running this in my kitchen, and Felicia can attest we have no smell whatsoever. So you turn this guy on and you can adjust the flow. Turn it up if you want to do some heavy duty cutting. Turn it down if you're just going to do a little bit of engraving, or if you're going to use your IR because there's not as many fumes with that. Completely adjustable. And again, this thing moves a ton of air, and it's quiet. Well under 70 decibels, about the same noise you'll get out of a vacuum cleaner. Now, this actually has a fire extinguishing mechanism. You fill this up with water, and if it detects fire, it sprays a little bit of water. Now, it doesn't spray it all over and destroy your laser, just enough to put the fire out. And that all comes through the air assist hose, the water and the air. And it's only activated if it detects a fire, and you have to set that in the software too. You can turn that off if it makes you nervous. It actually made me nervous a little bit having water and electricity in the same space, but it's just such a directed small jet of water, just enough to take that fire out. So it does come with a honeycomb. Ours came with a honeycomb, and this is it completely set up, ready to go. The software, you can use either the Atomstack Studio software, or you can use Lightburn. Either one, it works just as well either way. We tried it with the Atomstack software, and it's pretty fully featured with a ton of designs built in. We were really happy to see that. And the dual shaft guide rails make it very silent and super fast. This thing was able to blow through a couple of engravings and cuts that we did. One pass on this 3mm board too. I was really impressed about that. It did a nice job. The cuts were accurate. They were clean. And I'm using the diode right now. Another thing surprised me, it's the biggest diode workspace I've ever seen, 19.5 by 12.5 inches. It's huge. You get a big piece of wood or acrylic or whatever you want to put in this area. It's a little bit smaller if you're using the IR. They want to center it to the middle, but if you're doing wood and acrylic with the diode, you got plenty of room here. Let's try the IR on this little metal box. It did a wonderful job on here. A little bit slower. It wasn't as fast. I probably could have sped it up a little bit and turned up the power, but this looks pretty good. Again, I'll get it straight when I practice a little bit, but look at this sign we made with our Atomstack KRAFT. This thing is a game changer. You need to add this to your craft room arsenal. You can run it in your kitchen with the fume extractor. Very impressive machine, Atomstack. Nice job with the KRAFT. Pick yours up today.